Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I have a sensitive skin, this CETAPHIL Skin Cleanser is just a great product. And I'm gonna tell you one of the things that I like the most about this product. The first thing is how gentle and easy it is on your face. Sometimes I've tried different ones and it would take all the oil from my face, or the soap will be just too hard in it. But this has a little cream feeling in your face that once you use it, it's just a simple, clean, and gentle feel. I don't feel like all the oil in my face is getting stripped away. And actually the results and the whole thing, the whole product has been really good on my face, and the fact that I'm not having as many pimples I used to have, and my face is looking clean and clear at the same time. And I live in a hot place where the weather is too humid and sometimes it could be a little bit dry, but it's always hot. So trying to keep your face clean and always with a good facial routine is actually major key for me. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.